Okay, I'm going to walk you through installing the Fusion DFX file. So this is the file you'll get when you've downloaded it from Russ's site. So if we click on it, extract all, it's going to ask you where to do it. Now I've already done this, so you can click extract, I'll do it anyway, and it's going to make me replace it. So then you'll get this folder here. The next thing I would do is click on that one, cut it, go to your documents folder and then paste it in. So here you can see I pasted it in. I'll replace it anyway. So now you've got that file there. The next thing we need to do is go into Fusion, and in Fusion we go to Utilities, Add-ins, Script and Add-ins, and we're going to do an add-in from this device. Click here. I'm going to go to a script from this device, and we need to now go to our documents folder, open this and click on content, select, and here you can now see you've got this. So we want to run it, and then you'll now see it's appeared in your drop down add-in for you to use. Hope this helps. Bye.